guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a back to school or back to work or just for daily basis makeup look. And I know I sound kind of weird. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. My husband had just left to work and I couldn't go back to sleep, so why not do a makeup tutorial look for you guys who wake up really early. And I'm going to be using some affordable drugstore makeup so that way it can last long. And I know my eyes are kind of puffy and my voice sounds really weird, and I can't just wait to have a coffee right now, but I'll just go ahead and do that once I get myself ready. So if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with Maybelline Master Precise Primer. And this is Blur and Smooth. So I'm going in with the primer and I'm just going to simply center this in my face, normally where I get like really oily. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some dots on my face. And then I will go ahead and blend this. Yeah, that works. So moving on, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. And this one is in shade Light. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these under my eyes. And on my forehead and on the bridge of my nose. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this, because we definitely want to be looking like we're awake. We don't want to be feeling all sleepy, just like me, and sounding all weird in school. Especially if it's like your first day, you like want to be looking good. Moving on, I'm going into my brows and I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. And this is in dark brown what I'm using. And as you guys can see, I really don't have a lot of brows. That is why I always color them. No matter what I do, they just don't grow as I wanted to. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my left side. And I highly recommend this eye pencil. It's really nice. It looks a little natural. So basically I'm starting off from the bottom and then move myself up. And no worries if it doesn't look straight, we'll fix it. And simply I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this in. So just make sure that it aligns on the corners so that it's even. And then I'm gonna go back ahead and use this brush and just put whatever I have. Now moving on, I'm gonna be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow Born to Run palette. And I'm gonna be using this Reef color as my transition. And basically what I'm doing is just doing something nice and pretty with neutral colors, because I don't want to be doing a dramatic eye look for, especially if you're going back to school, like for an everyday makeup. So I just want to do something simple and something easy for you guys to do. So I'm just simply blending this in, and then I'm gonna move on with the punk shade from here, this one right here, with the shadow, and just blending this not all the way far, but just like from right here. Just literally drawing a line on my crease, and I'll probably use some other shade underneath here in the lid once I'm through with this. I'm going in with the Wigner color right here, and I'm simply gonna apply that on the eyelid. So for eyeliner today, I'm going to be going for Maybelline Master Precise by Eye Studio, and this is in the color black. So this is like the Sharpie, and it's really easy to use. I also highly recommend this. And also, as you notice, I'm not wearing that tape on the side because, like I said, this is supposed to be something fast and easy for you guys. Using some Maybelline the Falsies Volume Eyes Mascara, and I'm gonna simply apply these in the upper and lower of the lashes. Using my Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Powder, and just for the reference, this is in shade 25 Nude Beige. Now I'm gonna tone my face a little bit using some warm tan, and I don't remember what the brand of this because it's already fade, the name of it. So let's go ahead and grab some of these. And I'm using the Wet n Wild bronzer. Apply a little bit up here. And to finish up the look, I'm going to be using the Laura Paris Infallible Pro Make Gloss. And this shade is in 316 Statement Nude. And this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is the complete look, you guys. I really do hope you guys enjoy these. This is perfect for school. I didn't apply the fall eyelashes. You can highly do that if you want. And also I didn't waterline my eye with any color because I just want my eyes to brighten up and be more open. And also, I hope you found my video helpful, and once again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And remember, tax-free weekend starts this Friday, August the 10th. And my next video will be back to school shopping, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.